I recently found out that the rear AC trim in our Tesla Model 3 has had some scratches, not sure how. So I reached out to my friends at Yeslak.com and they were kind enough to send us this rear AC vent trim cover which comes in a carbon fiber texture. It came in a box protected with plastic covers and it also comes with 3M tape attached so you can just peel them off, clean the rear AC trim and just attach the cover. Not just that, it also comes with cover for the USB port and also the AC vent at the rear. So you won't have any issues trying to move the damper and the USB port will always be protected from dust getting in. If you would also like to grab any accessories for your Tesla products, don't forget to check out their website and also don't forget to use the code Ruby23 to get 20% off your next purchase. We hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel and we will see you in the next one.